N-Pet Automatic Smart Cat Feeder. This automatic smart cat feeder is perfect for you to handle the pet's feeding. It allows your pets to adjust the eating habits and no more batteries are not included. This automatic smart cat feeder suitable for all sizes of cats or multiple pets families. The large capacity design is a great for pet parents when you are busy with work or travel for a few days. You could see how much food dispenser is made of free material safe. The programming is straightforward and you get a lot of flexibility to set specific meal times and portions. You could set up to 1 to 4 meals per day and 1 to 3 portions per meal. Each portion grain is about 5 gram, 10 portion only dry food is allowed. N-Pet automatic cat feeders come with a 2 decent and secure press lock power adapter and 3D size batteries. In case of a power outage, the feeder will continue to function on 3 size battery to ensure your pet. The N-Pet feeder is wall power and or battery powered. In case of a power outage, the feeder will continue to function on 3D size battery to ensure your pet gets feed. Batteries not included. N-Pet automatic cat feeders come with a large transparent hopper suitable for small and medium pets like cat. An automatic cat feeder mechanism helps solve the problem of food stock when filled with pet food. It can last a few days to weeks depending on your pet eat. Keep your pet excited about meal times. Press and hold the record button for 3 seconds to begin recording. A message to be played as each feeding dispenses up to 10-second voice to call the pets. This automatic cat feeder focus on high quality pet products and committed to providing your pets with a healthier life and making your family happier. This is suitable for small pets. Please hold the feeder body when you move it to other places. Suitable for dry food only with the food pellet size ranging in diameter can ensure the food is dispensed smoothly without jamming. Please use an adapter and battery supply at the same time which can ensure the feeder works well when there is a power outage. For your pet's health, please wash the hopper and feeding tray regularly. N-Pet automatic cat feeder your pets with recorded and portion help you to feed your and comfortable makes with feels safe, easy to set up time meals a portion with LCD screen available to record voice message, which is good way to interact with your pets. The N-Pet food dispenser is wall power or battery powered. In case of power outage, the feeder will continue to function size battery to assure your pet gets feed. Batteries it is easy to clean, separate, assemble structure. Large capacity hopper premium feeder has a cover to prevent all over the place. Please hold the feeder body when you move it to other places. This automatic cat feeder is a perfect for you to handle the pet feeding issue. It allows your pet to adjust the eating habits and no more batteries are not included.